How to log into PEC Earning. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Earning Basics. Today I'll be guiding you how to log into PEC Earning. Login in PEC Earning is quite easy, so without any delay, let's get started. Open your web browser, launch your preferred web browser on your computer. Visit PEC Earning, type this URL into the address bar of your web browser and press enter. Find the login option. Once you are on the home page, click on login located at top right corner. Enter your credential. On the login page, you'll typically see fields to enter your username and your password. Input the username associated with your PEC Earning in the designated field. Then enter the password in the provided field. If you are a new user, click on register. Click on sign in. After entering your credential, click on the sign in button to proceed. Verify if necessary. Depending on your account setting, you may need to complete a verification step. This could involve entering a verification code sent to your email or phone number. And here you go, it's done. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.